Hello. I wanted to show you how I took this old weathered tabletop that I made for a crock outside of in my courtyard. It got all weathered. I had these handles on it. So I took off brought it inside, took off the handles, dried it out because it was wet under here. It absorbed. I had it coated with polyurethane, and it's still weathered underneath. You know, this is just a laminate top, but it's just a porous board. I am going to transform this tabletop with copper. And this is an 8mm copper that I got online and a thing. And I wanted it to be thin enough to where I could bend it over the table, over the top to pound it around there. So I took these some 10 snips and just cut it around and cut it into a round circle. And so now I'm going to put on my earmuffs because it's really loud. Take a ball peen hammer, and I take a rag to go over the top so it doesn't. I have a rubber mat under here. You could use softwood, plywood, or whatever. That works too, but I like this rubber mat. You can see I've done this part already. Half hour, 45 minutes for me to get this whole thing done. And I spread liquid nails all over it. So I'm going to put the top on, and I cut the copper a little bit wider than I need, so it's going to bend way under. And I don't think it's necessary for this small of a project to let the glue dry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bend one side over and put a nail in it. I have copper nails that I can use. For underneath, I don't think it really matters if you have copper or not. So that will make it to where it won't move when I'm bending these over. Go around the whole side. Also, do a little tap here and there. If you see the spot you missed, just go like this, and you can get some more things covered up. Let me make it more consistent. So I'm just going to tap down there. And then instead of cutting these like I'd rather it to be wrinkled, because I don't want water to get up under here. Like if it does, it gets wet. So this way it'll let the water drip off, and it's just going to be a wrinkle there instead of having the water be able to seep in there. Each time I go through maybe 2 inches apart, put nails. Here we go. So I'm just going to wrap it around this way. Sides. Okay, I'm going round and round, heading home. This is a really good mill to work around small projects like this. So, you know, it wrinkles a little bit on the side, but that's okay. It's going to be waterproof. So that's what I want. I want this out on my patio when it rains on it. It will be waterproof. Okay, so I'm going around the sides. All around the sides. Get it to go down, down, down. And I'll turn it up like this and start pounding it down around like this. And when I get a few inches done like this, I turn it over. Turn it over like this, and then start coming up this way. move it forward a little bit to make those wrinkles go down. Heading around the bend. Score this because, like I said, the copper nails bend too easily. They're soft. Okay, let's see how this turned out. Wow, that's gonna be awesome. And I'll put these handles back on it. Wow, that's gonna look awesome. Cool. And here's another chance if you see any kind of, you know, where you don't have it very consistent. Okay, now I'm ready to put the handles on. Yay! I've already got this one screwed in. What I'm doing is I'm pre-drilling the hole. Try to get this on here evenly. Pre-drill the hole. Then what I do is I'm going to put this silicone down in here. It's clear silicone to protect it, the screw, from the water seeping down through the screw. And I'm using stainless steel screws. So that's a must. Putting the handles back on. Wow, that's going to look great. So now, no water will leak down in there. All right. Okay, I got the handles on. One thing is the stainless steel screws are showing they don't match. So I'm going to just take some of this paint, spray it in here, and touch them up. This is outdoor paint. This should hold up great. Touch that up. That looks so much better. All right, let's take it outside and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's perfect. It's gonna be beautiful out here. Better than I even thought. It's gonna patina on its own. Oh man, that's so cool. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe and let me know what you think.